Hey guys, it's me again, Jel, and is there. Welcome back to another vlog. So ngayon guys ay andito tayo sa NTC Cafe here sa Talisay. So ito siya guys ay isang cafe near Campus Tuhan. And ang view ay eto. Ayan. Greens. Ito nga pala guys, yung labas lang ng cafe. And, ayan. Ito yung cafe mismo. Yan siya. Okay, that's the mountain. And this is the place. Again, this is NTC Cafe. And they are a pet-friendly place. Nag-diaper lang ang mga fur babies, guys. Okay. Dito naman sa kabila, ito naman yung view. So, yun guys. So, that's the same mountain. You can see if pupunta kayo ng Campus Tuhan. Okay. So, again guys, this is NTC Cafe sa may Talisay. Yan. Yeah. And here are the fur babies. So they are pet friendly. Same pa rin guys. Magdala lang kayo ng poop bag. Tapos dapat naka-diaper and naka-leash. Riri. Coffee. Okay, tapos yun guys, makikita nyo, mga rooster yan, mga manok. If you're here in Negros, very common yan, yung mga rooster farm dito. Yan, mga pangsabong yan siya. So, ito pala yung whole cafe guys, ha. Yan. Iced choco, iced coffee, and brewed with last month ba? January. So yun guys, tapos na kami dito sa NTC Cafe. So nag-lunch lang kami dito tsaka nag-chill sandali para mapasyal na rin yung mga fur babies kasi 4 days din kami nawala kasi nag-fangirling kami sa Manila. Yun guys, bye! Uwi na din kami from me
Happy
and
Valentine's
MM.
Day!
Bye-bye!